Hey there guys, today we're here at JTech and we're going to be doing a smoke test on an exhaust system on this Oldsmobile. We have here this Smoke Pro smoke machine, and so to start you have to hook it up to the battery, which we've already done. Next step is you'd have to find an adapter for your exhaust. We unfortunately didn't have one for this vehicle, so we just kind of ragged it and put some tape over the leaking points to help get as much smoke as possible through the exhaust system so we can spot the leak. Once you're ready to go, you'll come over here. There's an air and gas test only, which is just for air, and then here's your smoke test. You also have this dial right here, so you can adjust how much smoke you want to put out at one time. So I'm going to turn it up a good amount. And so now we'll come back here. As you can see, we have a little bit that's coming out of the tailpipe here, but we'll give it a second and then we'll actually go ahead and take a look at the rest of the exhaust and see where else it is starting to leak. The biggest problem with exhaust leaks is they can cause vacuum drops, which will reduce output of power and can cause serious problems down the road. If you have issues with back pressure, also you can destroy valves, destroy timing. Another issue with the exhaust is if you have backup and resistance blocking the exhaust stream, for example, like a clogged catalytic converter, that will also cause a leak and will actually cause a pressure drop. So now we'll come back here and we'll take a look and see where we can find the exhaust once it started to move through. There's a little bit coming out of that porthole there, and then you may not be able to see it, but there are just a couple leaks here on the side of the muffler. There's a big one on this side coming out of the weld here, and the side weld across the muffler. So yeah, this is just one of the things you can do to test for leaks in the exhaust system. Using a smoke test. It's also good for doing testing for leaks in intake manifold, which also can lead to vacuum and pressure drop and lead to fuel problems as well. So yeah, keep an eye on it.